Hi. So now we are going to discuss about different types of threats. So we have seen that threats are required to do a threat assessment in food industries. So now we will discuss the different types of threats. There are about 6 types of threats. The first one is called economically motivated adulteration or EMA. Second one is called extortion, and third one is called malicious contamination. Fourth one is called espionage, and fifth one is called cybercrime, and the last one is called counterfeiting. So these are the 6 types of threats which is required to do a threat assessment. Okay. So now we know what are the 6 threats in a food industry, right? I'm not going to tell a detail of each threats, but I'm just giving an introduction of each threat. First one is called economically motivated adulteration. From the term itself, it's very clear. Adulteration done to a food item to get an economic gain or a financial benefit. Okay? That is the term, and that's the threat. Second one is called extortion. Extortion is nothing but taking the money from the victim's organization. Okay, they will say maybe it will be done by one person or a group of people. They say if we don't pay this much money, we will publish it in more media and all. That type of threatening is done to the victim and taking the money. That's another threat. That is called extortion. Third one is called malicious contamination. The term itself gives an idea. Intentionally, some contamination is done to any of the food product, and it will cause harm to a lot of people. It's a widespread harm to the people. Okay, that is the third one. Okay, these are the 3 important threats. Okay. So now we know the 3 important threats. The other 3 important threats are espionage, counterfeiting, and cybercrime. First one is espionage. Espionage means it is actually the term meaning itself is a spy work. So somebody will enter into a food industry and they will collect the recipes and they will come back. Either they will sell it from inside itself, or they will come back and they will use it for their own production. That type of spy work is called espionage. Next one is called counterfeiting. Counterfeiting is nothing, the fake products. A lot of fake products we can see, similar, looking similar, and the name will be almost similar. This type of fake products is another threat, and that is called counterfeiting. And the last one is called cybercrime, which is collecting the money or taking the money from the consumers directly. Because as the technology has changed, modern techniques came into picture, a lot of cyber crimes are coming. So in food industry also, a lot of cyber crime is there. It's also an important threat in food industry. So now we know what are the 6 threats. Economically motivated adulteration, espionage, extortions, malicious contamination, counterfeiting, cyber crime, and all this. So based on these threats, we are going to make a threat analysis and see which threats are significant and which are not. Okay, so we'll go in little bit about threat assessment later.